cheeks, like all of them. So I'm in the cab on the way to the beach with my Airbnb. I'm not staying at Airbnb, I'm not doing that. With the hotel. We have access to this one beach club. I'm about to go check it out. I really was not too impressed with the pictures, not gonna lie. So if not, I'm about to try and go to another one. But we're gonna see, because your girl is trying to be laid up on the beach for several hours. We made it to Tulum. I needed to be cute out here because your girl finna be laid up. So my massage was magnificent. Unfortunately, their card machine wasn't working, so I had to pay in cash, which kind of jacked me up a little bit, not gonna lie. But now I'm about to go see if I can get it popping at this one little beach club, because the one that's connected to my hotel, or like I could stay at with my hotel or whatever, it's not cute enough for me. And you know, we gotta be in style, we gotta be in fashion, we gotta keep it cute. Here is the view from my bed, which I will be at for the next, who knows how long. So for today's drink, we have the boho, which is the cocktail of the house, and that is mezcal, lime, ginger, jalapenos, which you can see in there, and honey. You know I had to do it with these nachos. We have some assorted salsas here. I just wanted y'all to get into this drink with me because it's delicious. There's jalapenos, honey, lime, greatness. The drinks are good. This whole setup is good. I was here last time I came to Tulum, and I decided to hit it up again because it was just that bomb. The food, you can't have everything, and I knew that coming because these nachos look fire and look flames, but they're just okay. I mean, it's just part of it. They're still, like, they're fine, but they're not hitting how it would be nice if they were hitting, because then it would just be, excuse me, a complete package. But yeah, you know, you can't win everything. But I would definitely say that I'm winning right now. I also want to update you guys. I have seen a few black women, so the Negro count is now at 3. The lighting is probably not the best here, but you know, your girl is living her best life. I'm in the hot tub. It's really not hot, but you know, it's doing the job. I'm at Amar Sala, which is what they call an eco chic resort that is along the beach. I had to pay $20 because I'm not staying here. So I paid $20 for like the little bed and a towel thing, and then I bought some food. As established, the food, so. The beach, the only issue with the beach is there's like mad seaweed, because I just tried to get in and it really wasn't, the seaweed was kind of ruining my day. Also, your girl took a little bit of a tumble a few days ago, know, fell down a couple steps. You really can't do that when you get older. Like, the recovery time is ridiculous. And while I'm not on the sick and shut-in list, I definitely would say I'm on like the injured reserve. And you know, I do want to point out that with the massage, it was dope because I was on the beach, and excuse me if the camera's shaking because it's really windy out here. Anyways, it was like on the beach and kind of like, it wasn't out and open, it was tucked in the cut a little bit. But if you're someone who's like super self-conscious like about your body and such, it's probably not the thing for you, because I think most of the times when people get massages, like some people like take all their clothes off, you know. I had my bathing suit on and I kind of just like pulled it down, but I mean, it definitely was like, you know, cheeks out, titty meat out a little bit at some points. Like, she's covering you with like this little you know, like this little sheet thing, but you're pretty exposed. Because when I woke up, like, this couple was next to me, and there's no, you know, there were no barriers between me and the other two people. And then this couple was next to me getting a massage, and your boy, I seen the cheeks, like all of them, because he was not wearing anything. But yeah, I mean, and at first I was kind of like, but at that point it's like, I'm already out here, so, you know, whatever. But it was really fun. And just like to get the massage and to hear the waves from the beach at the same time, girl, I want that for all of y'all. I feel like that hammock has my name on it, right? Right. Being that this is my first solo trip on the dolo, so far it's a success. I picked a spot that I was already comfortable with and where I know the language. And while your girl is not like fluent in Spanish, I can get by. And that's been fun, like challenging myself and speaking in Spanish has been fun. Being with my home energy and chilling with myself has been great because I'm a great time. Laying up on this beach all day, A1. The food, B minus. Whatever, it's not bad. I want you guys to understand that. It wasn't bad. But it's like, I am a nacho connoisseur. I feel like even amongst like Mexican food, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know a good taco. And it's like, how we down here in Mexico and your joint is kind of fugazi. Like, it's not even that popping. It doesn't really make sense. However, I ain't trying to shade them too much because I'm still laid up on their property. But I would still recommend coming to this place. Like, just don't come thinking that like you're about to bust a grub. Know that like the food's gonna be okay, but the view's gonna be great. The customer service is gonna be great. I done laid up on the beach on the little bed joint. They brought the food. Like, that is what I was looking for. Was like being laid up, having my drink and my food being brought to me. I'm laid up in a hammock right now. The beach is right here. I mean, come on.